In this video, I will show you how to buy stocks on Robinhood. So this is really quite simple. What you want to go and do is just open up Robinhood, and from the trade section here in the bottom left, you want to click on the search icon, and here you can go and search for the company or symbol that you want to buy. You can also go, for example, by 100 most popular, or however you want to find the stocks that you want to buy. For example, in this case, if I want to buy Broadcom, I can just search for it and then it will show up. Now go and click on it, and then here you can see the price history. So if I now want to go and purchase this, it's very simple. All you need to do is click trade, then set it to buy, and then you have different types of orders. So you have a limit order, market order. The most simple one is just a market order, where it will just execute at the current price that you see right here. So from there, choose how much you want to buy, and then it will be taken from your Robinhood balance, and it will then buy the stock that you select. So that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to buy stocks on Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.